What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was wrong? Imagine, we launch the most powerful telescope ever built, one capable of seeing back to the beginning of time itself. And the first images it sends back don't match our theories at all. Galaxies that should be young, look ancient, stars that shouldn't exist, are burning bright. And scientists are whispering one question: did the universe form faster than we ever imagined? This is the story of the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's boldest eye into the unknown, and the discoveries that may force us to rewrite everything we know about space, and perhaps about ourselves. Ready to dive in? Let's begin. When NASA launched James Webb in 2021, it wasn't just another telescope. It was a time machine, powerful enough to see galaxies born over 13 billion years ago. Think about that. Light that left its source when the universe was just a few 100 million years old is only now reaching us. And when Webb opened its golden mirrors for the first time, what it saw stunned the entire scientific world. Instead of small, messy baby galaxies, it found massive, fully formed galaxies that existed far too early in cosmic history. It's like opening a photo album expecting baby pictures, but finding your great-grandparents already in them. These galaxies shouldn't have had time to form, yet there they were, bright, structured, and ancient. It's as if the universe built itself faster, smarter, and more mysteriously than we ever imagined. But galaxies weren't the only shock. Webb's next discoveries took things to an entirely new level. Among the most mind-blowing things Webb found were exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars. But these weren't just rocks floating in the dark. Webb detected atmospheres, and in them, traces of water vapor. Water, billions of light years away. That single discovery ignited the biggest question in science. Could life exist elsewhere in the universe? Pattern interrupt, curious tone. And before you say no, consider this. Webb has already identified hundreds of potentially habitable planets. Some orbit red dwarfs, some circle two suns, and some are almost Earth's twins. But here's the plot twist. Many of these planets exist in places where, by our current understanding, life shouldn't survive at all. Extreme radiation, freezing temperatures, toxic gases. Yet, some of them still show patterns that scientists can't fully explain. It's as if the universe is whispering, "You've only just begun to understand me." Pause, lower tone, intrigue. And if that wasn't enough to shake us, Webb soon looked even deeper. Beyond the stars, beyond the galaxies, there's something we can't see, but it's everywhere. Dark matter and dark energy, the invisible forces that make up 95% of the universe. Before James Webb, they were just theories. But Webb's deep space images revealed something stunning. Massive dark matter halos shaping galaxies earlier than expected, like cosmic scaffolding holding everything together. It's as if the universe has an invisible architecture, a silent engineer guiding its expansion. Pattern interrupt, playful curiosity. And yet, we call it dark just because we can't see it? It's almost ironic, right? The entire universe runs on something we can't even detect directly. But here's where the story turns eerie. James Webb is starting to find gravitational anomalies, galaxies that appear where they shouldn't. Some distortions even hint at something beyond our observable universe. Cliffhanger tone. Could there be other universes just outside our reach? Or has James Webb glimpsed something that challenges the very fabric of physics itself? The deeper Webb looks, the more it reminds us of one thing. We are tiny in a universe that's endless. Scientists are already calling this the golden age of cosmology, Because every discovery Webb makes leads to 10 new questions. The telescope has found galaxies so dense they defy the laws of gravity, black holes that formed impossibly early, and cosmic light that suggests time itself might not flow as we think. We're realizing the universe is not a cold, empty void. It's alive, dynamic, still unfolding in ways we can barely comprehend. And Webb is our first true glimpse into its heartbeat. So as the James Webb Telescope continues to stare deeper into the unknown, we're left with one burning question. What happens when we reach the end of what can be seen? Will we finally understand the universe, or discover that we were never meant to? If you thought this was mind-blowing, wait till you see what happens when entire planets collide. Click the video on your screen. What if Earth collided with another planet? Trust me, you don't want to miss what happens next, because in the vastness of space, the truth is always stranger than we imagine.